Planning to explore Copenhagen, but don't want to be burdened by your luggage? RadicalStorage offers a convenient and secure solution to store your bags while you explore this vibrant city. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Copenhagen using RadicalStorage, a trusted platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage is safe and fully insured. RadicalStorage simplifies the process of finding a luggage storage point, making it easy to access trusted locations across the city. To avoid phishing websites, use the secure link in this guide to visit the official RadicalStorage website. Once on the platform, simply type Copenhagen in the search bar, and you'll see a list of available storage points near key attractions, transportation hubs, or downtown areas. Select a location that suits your itinerary, choose your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed to secure payment. RadicalStorage offers peace of mind with secure transactions and fully insured luggage. After completing your booking, you'll receive a confirmation with a reference number and directions to your chosen storage point. Upon arrival, show your reference number to the staff, and they'll take care of your bags while you enjoy Copenhagen without any extra weight to carry. It's that easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.